Elephants never forget. They can distinguish languages. They can hear through their feet. Elephants are excellent swimmers. They support those in need. They can suffer from PTSD. Elephants need their elders. They can't live without their trunks. Elephants honor their dead. They use dirt as sunscreen. They are related to the rock hyrax. They have math skills. Elephants are at risk.
Check the description for more information and exciting offers. If you are new to our channel, don't forget to hit the bell icon and subscribe to our channel. If you have any suggestions, then kindly leave a comment in comment section. Thanks for watching. Visit us again.